Transform your life with life-changing gratitude practices. Take a moment, think of something you're grateful for. How does it feel? When we practice gratitude daily, we train our minds to focus on the good, shifting our perspective and attracting more of what we want in life. In today's video, we'll explore the power of deep gratitude, how gratitude enhances personal and professional life, the physical and mental health benefits, the impact of gratitude on relationships, gratitude as a tool for manifestation, and simple ways to build this habit. Plus, I'll guide you through a short practice to help you step into gratitude right away. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life no matter what is happening around them. This is so they can manifest the life they choose. Let's get started.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and only having the things you were grateful for today. A powerful thought, right, isn't it? Gratitude is a simple yet profound concept that we often overlook. This holds the potential to transform our lives in ways we can't begin to imagine. This isn't just about saying thank you. It's a radical shift in perspective. Today, let's explore why gratitude is a secret key to an extraordinary life. Gratitude has the power to reshape our lives, touching everything from our personal growth to our relationships, our health, and even our careers. But why does it matter so much? What makes this simple act of appreciation so impactful? Let's dive in together and uncover the hidden layers of what gratitude actually is. Gratitude transcends the simple expression of thank you. It's a lens through which we view life. When we cultivate gratitude, we begin to see our blessings clearly, both the monumental ones and the tiny ones, the everyday joys. It's not just about acknowledging the good, it's about connecting with it deeply and allowing it to shift our state of being. Think about the last time you truly felt grateful. Maybe it was for a meal shared with loved ones, a moment of peace in nature, or the support of a friend. In that moment, didn't you feel connected to something larger, your community, the earth, or even a higher power? Gratitude connects us to the world and reminds us that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. Let's talk about abundance. So often we focus on what's missing, our shortcomings, our failures. We're so hard on ourselves for what we wish we had, or focusing on what others have. Gratitude flips that script. When we focus on what we do have, we stop chasing and start growing. It's here in this space of abundance that personal development thrives. Now let's take gratitude into the professional sphere. A workplace rooted in appreciation is a thriving one. When leaders show gratitude, they inspire loyalty. When employees feel valued, productivity soars. A simple thank you can turn a team into a family, driving collaboration and innovation. Did you know that practicing gratitude can improve your physical health? Studies have shown it leads to better immunity, fewer aches and pains, and healthier behaviors. Gratitude strengthens the mind-body connection, creating a natural state of well-being. And emotionally, gratitude is the balm for the soul. It reduces stress. We all can use that. Clarifies our emotions and gives us the resilience to navigate life's challenges. It's not a cure-all, but it creates a mental foundation of strength and clarity that's hard to shake. Here is the beauty of gratitude. It strengthens every relationship it touches. When we take time to appreciate others, we foster mutual respect and deeper connections. Expressing gratitude shifts the energy in any relationship, encouraging positivity and growth. Gratitude also plays a pivotal role in manifestation. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you align your energy with abundance. This alignment creates a vibrational match for your desires, opening the door to opportunities and success. Let's think about it. When you're in a true state of gratitude, you're not in a state of lack. And that is such a powerful vibration to send out into the world. And whatever you bring into your awareness, you bring more of. So the more you're appreciative, and more show deep gratitude, the more you will have things, events, experiences, people come into your life that make you feel more of that. Now let's make this actionable. Here are some simple practices to bring gratitude into your life. Morning journaling, very simple one. You can do it on a piece of paper or on your phone. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each morning. Mindful walks. Notice the beauty of your surroundings, the trees, the sky, the breeze. And gratitude letters. Write to someone who has impacted your life positively. You can keep it, read it, send it. It doesn't matter. But when you bring things of that deep gratitude from energetic form into written form, you're taking something energetic and translating it into 3D, which is so powerful and such an important way to manifest. Gratitude isn't just practice, it's a way of being. It opens doors to a richer, fuller life. It brings us closer to who we truly are, joyful, connected, and abundant. As Marcus Aurelius said, when you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive. This is your call to action, to pause, to reflect, and to live with a grateful heart. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to go to our online community or to vibrationmentor.com for more inspiration and more insights to your joyous journey. And now on to our exercise. This is the Gratitude Blueprint Challenge. Now we're going to do something really, really special together that will transform how you feel, how you think, and how you show up in the world. This isn't just an exercise. It's a gateway to a more abundant, joyful life. Are you ready? Let's build your gratitude blueprint now. First, step 1, let's take inventory of your life. Grab a pen and paper or open a note on your phone. Pause this video after each step to dive deeply into each one separately. Think about 3 areas of your life. Your relationships or the people you're grateful for. It could be a friend, a mentor, a family member, or even someone you crossed paths with briefly who impacted your life dramatically. Your achievements. What have you accomplished that makes you proud? It doesn't have to be grand. It could be a kind act, a challenge you overcame, or a moment of growth. Your surroundings. What about the environment brings you joy? Maybe it's the cozy corner where you like to sip your coffee, the beauty of the outdoors, or the community you're a part of. Write them down, pause the video, and give yourself a few minutes to reflect on each of these. Then come back and let's take this even deeper. Welcome back. Now that you've identified these blessings, it's time to amplify your gratitude. Look at your list and ask yourself, why does this person or thing mean so much to me? How has it shaped who I am today? What would my life be like without it? Feel the gratitude swell in your heart as you reflect. Gratitude is more than words, it's an energy, a vibration that transforms how you see the world. Take a moment to soak it in. Pause again, and when you return, we'll move to the most powerful part of this exercise. Gratitude without action is like potential energy waiting to be unleashed. Now let's make it real. Express it. Pick one person from your list and reach out to them today, right now if you can. Send them a text, or write them a heartfelt note, or call them and say, thank you. You matter to me, and here's why. Watch how it strengthens your connection. Celebrate yourself. For one of your achievements, do something to honor that accomplishment. It could be as simple as journaling about it, or treating yourself to a moment of self-care. Say to yourself, I am proud of who I am. Share the energy, pay it forward, do one small act of kindness, help a stranger, compliment someone, or give to a cause you believe in. Gratitude is the most powerful when it flows outward. Welcome back. Now let's close with a short visualization. Sit comfortably and close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now picture the people, the achievements, and surroundings you wrote down earlier. Imagine them glowing with light. That light begins to fill your heart, spreading warmth through your entire being. Now see that light radiating outward, touching others, spreading gratitude to the world, to all beings across all space, time, dimensions, and all realities. Breathe in that energy. Feel that peace, the joy, the abundance. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back. How do you feel? Lighter, happier, more connected? Share your experience if you feel comfortable doing so in the comments below or with someone close to you. Remember, gratitude is a practice. It grows stronger the more you use it. You've just taken a massive step forward towards a richer, more meaningful life. Here's your mission. Keep this momentum going. Start your own gratitude footprint, a daily practice to reflect, amplify, and act on the blessings in your life. And if this exercise has inspired you, share this video with someone you're grateful for. Together, let's create a ripple effect of gratitude in the world.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey of self-growth and manifestation, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, at Vibration Mentor, we're here to support you in creating a joyous life, no matter what's happening around you. Keep manifesting, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.